Video 285, Simpler Auto Tile Shader, Part 5. Let's get into it. We've added a system called ArtGola, which is going to store Agola sets. No constant data yet, and no global variable data yet. Simple refactor, don't worry about this. And here's where the functions for ArtGola are going to go. Tags, and what we did previously, and all of our notes. So I don't have time to describe this. It took 15 minutes to describe it on the long playlist. So I'm going to explain in general what we're doing. We are going to take a standard Flixel style auto tile. We're going to map it into a 4x4 grid of subtiles. We're going to cluster the subtiles like this in one cluster, a cluster here, a cluster here, and a cluster here. So we have the nonagon cluster, the horizontal cluster, the vertical cluster, and the don't touch me cluster, which is just a 1x1 tile map. We're going to use only one color channel, so this is going to be 4 monochrome auto tile sets, 4 other monochrome tile sets, 4 other monochrome tile sets, and then all the MIP map levels are going to go here. Then there's some other things we have to do. The memory for it is going to go in the master memory here. So we're going to have, we have 4 tile sets per chunk here. So 4 times 4 gives us, wait, hold on, no. We have 3 times 4, which is 12. 12 times 4 gives us, we got the math right here. The math's right here. You can pause to look at the math. With this is how much memory we need. And we'll also have memory for decals. This is decals. This is bombs, FATA, and geometry memory for our designs. We're going to basically make something like this. It's going to be a pre-baked fractal auto tile. That's what we're doing. We're doing pre-baked fractal auto tiling. If you want a bigger explanation, go to this playlist. You're on the short playlist. We don't have time. You can check out the code here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.